actually, we're playing regrettable decisions as of this point. Yes. Anyways, yeah, so this is been fun. I just drowned for no reason. I didn't even know I was drowning until the bar was gone. So, uh, yeah, I was trying to grab some scrap that I saw on the other side of the lake. So, if you can't tell, I'm really smart. I didn't remember that water equals die. Yeah, they just like to rip off. Yeah. So, let's get to this fun. Ever I recorded that I only worked for 15 minutes, so I'm going to see how much I can get on my side. Yeah, I'll get on my side as much as I can, and I'll just link your video later. Okay, so there's a guy down here. I'm gonna just get his quest, and I'm not going into that lake. I don't care if there's scrap available. You will, you will not be happy if I do that again, will you? Yes, I will find your fishing rod, good sir. Okay, so you got. Yeah, and I saw some scrap over there. I'm ignoring it now that I know that that equals death. Do we want to start driving the train because it's been I need to get out of this conversation with this dude here. Thank you. Um I'm gonna drive the train because that's about the only useful thing I can do. Yeah. I can drive straight. Yeah, that may be a good idea. And I'm gonna see while I'm at it if. Oh wait, can I get that scrap? I think you can upgrade. I did it! I am a brilliant person. I can't upgrade our speed, so. Also, why does Charlie hate our little. Great. Alright. Time to drive, baby, drive. Disco Inferno. Is he behind us? So, this lovely train goes a nice 25 miles an hour. I see I see cogs in the distance. I'm ignoring those because last time we got off this train, it equaled no more train. I can't go faster, so how's the weather? So let's see. So we found one fishing rod part, one golden skull. Oh, he's heading on with the train. Oh, that's the green bar that uh was slowly taking out my life. Yeah. So welcome to our chaos. I am your host, Kitty. All right. Good. I'm going to probably stop us at where we were at again, but I'm not getting off the train. Okay. Yeah, I'm not risking it, and if I need to, I will gun this train. So let's see. Oh, say, can you see? I see it. You have fun. Please. Okay, so how can I make sure to keep this stopped? I'm gonna. Where's the brakes? I'm not moving off of this thing. I know. I don't want to get off this train. Yep. Okay, the train has not moved. Should I dare get off of it? Okay. Okay, I found some scrap in a cornfield. It is mine now. Oh my gosh, I see him! He's going after the train. Kinda glad I didn't stay on. I'll just repair its health when I get back. It's corn. I'm sorry, I'm remembering that song. Yeah, that's what I'm here for, reminding people that things that were memes existed. That song is on my TikTok every single minute. Every single day. It is unending. I shall suffer. What? Yay, money! I'm going to use it to speed up the death machine. Okay, uh, 100. And our train is no longer alive, so let me repair its health, then repair its speed. And then can't can't do anything else. So you are up now. Wee! Bye, Farmer Joe. Hey, this train is going pretty nice. Let's see. Oh, wait. I'm going to slow it down. There's scrap. Hold on. Stay on the train in case it decides to roll away again. Alright, so I'm just gonna upgrade a bit of that and get off so that isn't in my way and drive again. Yay, on the road again. Can't wait to get back on the road again. I'm great at singing. I could be American Idol, not really. Oh, there's something up ahead. Should we take a look at it, or do you think Charles is gonna say hello? Alright, I will start slowing it down and making sure it comes to a complete stop. Alright. Alright, so I have officially stopped. I will walk away. Quick. Still behind me. It is stopped. If it moves, I will be angry. Because I made sure this time it does not move. Hi. What's your name? Oh. Oh. Oh, look, I found a fishing rod part. I found a lot of gears. Yay! Got, got a nice bit of scrap, and I think that's the end of my recording. Y'all can go look at Agents to see his side. Uh, to be honest, you're doing much more than I am.